It's risky to just be relying on your 9-to-5 job as the only source of income. With the current state of economic uncertainty, prepare ahead and become financially independent sooner by starting a side hustle that you can earn additional income. Today, I go through how you can find side hustles which have the potential to turn into actual businesses and not just dead-end gigs that make ends meet. Hi, I'm Gabriella, a CPA and tax expert. Today, I want to help you get your creative juices flowing by thinking of some side hustles that you can start right away with no investment. Instead of just listing side hustles, I'll be talking about potential directions you can take to come up with your perfect side hustle idea that has the potential to build into a business later down the road. Before we jump in, I want to share something that might be obvious, but not everyone may understand. Side hustles require work. It requires an upfront investment of your time because you don't have the capital yet to have money work for you. Now, with that mindset in place, let's get started. Creating your own brand. Creating your own brand doesn't necessarily mean having your face and name plastered everywhere. This can certainly be the way to go with well-known influencers who have created their own personal brand. But if this is not your cup of tea, you can create a brand of following based on any topic or movement that interests you. Why creating your own brand is important, you may ask? It's because you can create leverage by having an audience who you can influence and later monetize down the road. So for example, I follow an Instagram account called Live Your Impossible that gives you insights on becoming focused and fulfilled in the digital world. There are no individuals associated with that account, but they post daily snippets that are motivational and give you interesting perspectives. As they amass a huge following over many years, they have an audience who are more likely to buy products that are connected to their brand, such as their self-discipline ebook, planner, and audiobook. However, you don't need a large following to be considered successful. In fact, based on a popular idea by Kevin Kelly, which also appeared in Tim Ferriss's book Tools of Titans, you just need 1,000 true fans to make it work. If we are to extract this concept, say that you're able to profit $100 from each true fan, which may not be a lot to the true fan, but coming from 1,000 of them, you can make $100,000 per year. Now, that's a living for most people. By creating a brand, you're able to leverage many different revenue sources, such as earning commission through affiliate marketing, selling ebooks, selling courses online, and even products with your own brand. The opportunities are endless when it comes to creating your own brand, but where do you even start? Remember when I said these things take lots of time and effort? Well, building a following may take a few months to a few years without any payoff. You can start on any social media platform that works best for you, such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, etc. I suggest social media platforms because you get faster traction than starting something from scratch like a blog. Now, the most important thing you need to do to grow your following is to provide high value to your audience. Value can come in many different forms, such as useful information, entertainment, or even better, both. Edutainment. Think of a niche or a topic that you want to focus on so you have a better chance of growing an audience by meeting their specific needs and also to later target them with a specific solution that you want to sell. If you are contemplating what niche to build a brand around, the side hustle ideas I'll be mentioning next will help you figure out where to start. Turn your hobbies into a business. Let's go back to the drawing board and think what side hustles you can make money with. We can start with your hobbies and what you enjoy doing. If you are spending your spare time on hobbies, why not try to monetize them? For example, if you enjoy photography, think of ways on how you can make money from it. You can create a website and sell your photos, or even sell them on websites that sell stock photos. You can also market your services as a photographer for special events. You could start small by doing graduation pictures and then work your way up to bigger events such as weddings and conferences. If you enjoy baking, you can make a side hustle out of that. A friend of mine has a brother who loves to bake cakes. He started to show pictures of his baking masterpieces to his friends and coworkers at work. After much demand from his friends and coworkers, he started an Instagram where he posts his cake designs. Now he has a line of people offering him to pay for his cakes for birthdays and special occasions from not only his friends, but friends of friends and so on. Do you love dogs? With increasing pet ownership, pet care is in high demand. Busy owners are willing to pay for dog walking services, which you are getting paid to exercise and spend time with furry friends. Even better, how about grooming dogs? Here in Vancouver, I tried to book a grooming session for my puppy, and 2 places told me they have 2-month wait list. Not to mention, these grooms are not cheap and range from $70 to $120. Whatever hobby you might have, think of creative ways to monetize it so that you can earn money while doing something that you enjoy. Sell your services. Another great side hustle that you can start with no investment is selling your services. In my previous video, I talked about high income skills that are recession proof. So if you didn't see that video, make sure to check it out for ideas. Instead of earning minimum wage, hone in on a specific high income skill that people are willing to pay top dollars for. Your skill can be something you went to school for or something you've gotten really good at from experience and practice. For example, if you are into writing and decide to hone your skills as a copywriter, the best charge around $100 per hour on Upwork or Fiverr. The best part is the flexibility of selling your services, where you can work 1 hour or several hours if you have extra time over the weekend. Selling your services doesn't necessarily mean you need to be an expert. You can have just a few years of experience ahead of someone, and that might be enough value for them. For example, if you are in 4th year of college, you could tutor the courses you already took to someone who is in 1st year. You can also tutor math and English to high school students. You could even teach art or even an instrument that you know to beginners. Renting out what you have. Another side hustle idea is renting out whatever you have. If you have unused space in your home, why not sublet it or put it on Airbnb? There are also websites out there where you could rent out pretty much anything you own, such as your truck, camping gear, electronics, etc. I mean, the list is endless. If done right, renting out your things can become pretty passive and a great source of additional income. Did you get some great ideas from my video today? If you watched until this point, make sure to comment down below your side hustle idea so others can get inspired too. Also, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you're in the loop with my future videos. In the meantime, check out my other videos here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!